Hello, future partners. My name is Jack and I am the founder of the first 1xBet Affiliate Academy. Who is this academy for? First and foremost, it's designed for anyone who wants to become a 1xBet partner and earn through the affiliate program but doesn't know where and how to start. Secondly, it's for people who know how to find new players. These can be YouTubers, influencers, owners of sport channels and communities. You can perfectly monetize all sport sites. If you still don't have a traffic source to attract new players, we will help you. What will the Academy provide for future partners? A step-by-step guide to start working with the 1xBet affiliate program. We will explain how to register correctly and how to use the marketing tools of the affiliate program to attract new players, among other tips. Assistant is withdrawing your first earnings, and we will help you to set up the payment method correctly so that you receive your earnings on time. And assistant in increasing your exacting income. Additional advice on how to increase your earnings. Levels of the Academy. Level first for beginners and those who want to become partners. A step-by-step instruction on how to start working with the 1xBet affiliate program, how to find and attract players, proper setup of referral links and promo codes for partners, personalized banners and other important aspects of the work. The second level for advanced partners. We provide more extensive knowledge about marketing and marketing tools, advertising strategies, techniques to increase income from exacting players. How to join the Affiliate Academy. To join the Academy, scan the QR code for the Telegram group. Join the group and familiarize yourself with the Academy's terms and conditions. If you have the desire to start earning money with the Academy, scan the QR code and message me about your intention to join the Academy. The Academy is absolutely free and operates as a closed community. On the second level of the Academy, all partners will have access to a private Telegram chat for exchanging experience. Make sure to read the entry requirements in the group and remember, I am providing all of this for free. I only ask that you not just become a partner, but also have the willingness to earn and start working with the 1xBet affiliate program.